It's important to review your portfolio periodically to ensure it's in line with your financial goals. With small cases, you are investing in basket of stocks or ETFs created and managed by SEBI licensed professionals. The managed part essentially means your invested small cases will also be reviewed by these experts at regular intervals. This review process of small cases is called rebalancing. Rebalancing is the process of reviewing the stocks or ETFs and their weights of a small case to ensure that it remains true to the underlying idea. It's like taking care of a plant to ensure its healthy growth. Rebalancing takes into account quarterly earnings, company news and updates, etc., and uses proprietary algorithms to narrow down on the right set of stocks that meet the defined criteria of the small case. During a rebalance, existing stocks or ETFs can be removed from the small case. New stocks or ETFs may be added to a small case. Weighing scheme is moved as close as possible to the prescribed weighing scheme. The constituents can remain unchanged. Rebalancing is done at different intervals for different small cases. You can check the rebalance frequency, last rebalance date, and the next rebalance date on the small case profile page. Rebalancing isn't an automatic process. Depending on the review, changes if any are sent out to you as rebalance updates. You will be notified about the availability of these updates via email, push notification, in-app notification, web and mobile app, SMS, and WhatsApp on some brokers. You can see the update, review the suggested changes, and confirm the update in 2 clicks. You can also customize the update if you want. You can also choose to skip rebalance updates. However, your invested small case then deviates from the original intended idea. Moreover, the composition and returns of the small case too then vary from the original and get affected. To summarize, rebalancing keeps your invested small case fresher than ever. So, apply rebalance updates and stay invested in ideas you believe in.